Welcome to Complete SQL tutorial video series. In this video, I am going to discuss about the set operator, which is the union all, intersect and except. So basically, for the interview point of view, a union and union all is very important. Basically, they put you question like what is the difference between union and union all, and what will be impact if I use the set operator instead of the using the join, and which scenario you will use the set operator and which scenario you will use the join. Okay, so I already covered the join concept. So if you didn't get a chance, you can watch all this video related to join, that is the video number 36 and 37. And also the intersect is also work related to the alternate way of the subquery as well. Okay, so whenever we work with the multiple table, join and the subquery and the set operator come into the picture. So if you didn't get a chance, just you can watch all the video, and all the video is very important for the achieving any type of the requirement or crack any type of the SQL interview. So let's jump to the SQL Server Management Studio and learn what is the exactly the set operator is there. So before starting the set operator, I'm going to create two dummy table just for the understanding purpose. Okay, so if you have the a small table for the learning point of view, so you will get better understanding the how the any type of the function is working. Okay, so I'm creating two table. One table is the course B and the second table is the course A. You can also create in our machine. Just you can pause the video and you can create with the same data. Okay, so you will better understanding. So suppose I have these two result set, course A and course B. I put it the select star from course A and select star from course B. So you can see two result set is getting into the output. So but example, if you have these two result set need to be combined into one, then what you will do? Okay, so when we combining two result set, the union or union all, the concept come into the picture. Okay, so by using the union, we can combine the two result set, and the definition of the union is saying that if you use the union, they removing the duplicate value. So what is the meaning here, the duplicate value? So if you see, course A doesn't have any duplicate value, course B also doesn't have the duplicate value. So the asking union is saying that whenever you combining two result set, like suppose if this result set will be combined, so this value course ID 1 and course name R, this value also available in the course B. So this is the duplicate value. So when you use the union, the duplicate value will be removed. So just you can put the both the statement here and put the union. So this result set will be combined. Okay, so you can see whatever the duplicate, this duplicate value is not show the two times, it show only one time, and also the unique value will be saved. In the same way, if you use the union all, they not remove the duplicate value, and if you execute it, you will get the duplicate output as well. So now you can see here, this is the output of the result set 1 and this is the output of the result set 2. Okay, so here you can see this is the duplicate and this is the duplicate. So basically the union all will not remove the duplicate. So that is the reason union all is always faster than union. And if you see the two output doesn't have any duplicacy value, to increase the performance you can always use the union instead of the union all. And while we working with the union or union all, we have couple of things you need to be you need to be maintained, otherwise the SQL engine will throw an error. So what is that? So suppose if you put it the select statement and the number of the position column data type is different. So the first one is the the number of position data type should be same, like here course ID, course name. So here course ID and course ID same with same data type, so it will work. But here the course ID, and if you put the course name and your course name you can put the course ID, so the output will be changed. So it will throw an error, that is the conversion error. Okay, so this is a different data type. So it should be always the same data type, otherwise it will throw an error. Now the next one is the number of the columns should be same. Here you put it the 2 and here you put it the 1. So basically they combining the result set, so it will throw an error. Okay, so if you see, it will throw the error saying that all query combined using union, intersect, except operator must have the equal number of expression in their target list. So should be source and the target have the same number of the column, otherwise it will not work. So this all we need to be maintained while we using the SQL and in the union or union all, or all the any of the set operator. So hope you understand what is the difference between union and union all, and how we can use the union and union all. Next one is the intersect. So intersect is the basically equivalent to the inner join. So whenever you use the intersect, they basically return the common record. Okay, so whatever the common record is there, so 1 2 3 4, they in the result output they populate only the whatever the matching record is there. But the except is basically used which value not available into the after the except table used. So here course A, you can see we have the 1 2 3 4 9 10, but if you talk about the course B, we have 1 2 3 4 7. So 7 9 10 is not available in this table, so in the output 9 10 will be come. Okay, so if you execute this code, you will see 9 and 10 is come into the output. So like this, the all the set operator will be work. Okay, so you can use the whenever you, if you have the any type of the requirement like this, so you can use the set operator. But always you go with the join. So before, if you can achieve by using the join, better. But if you are combining the output, then definitely you will use the union or union all. And if you have doesn't have the any duplicated record, you can use the union all instead of the union, because union all have always faster than union. Okay, so thank you for the watching this video. In the next video I will discuss detail in the view, that is the virtual table, and view is the play the very major role in the SQL. Thank you so much. We'll meet again in next video.